Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 12. Good tips for good service.
Do you want some dessert?
No thanks. We just need our check. Have you seen the waitress?
Here comes our waitress with our check.
The service here has been really great, don't you think?
Yes, the service was quite good.
So, let's look at the check. The total is $36.
How much do you think we should leave for a tip?
Usually people leave 15%, but this was exceptional service. I am thinking that maybe 20% would be appropriate.
I agree that 20% would be just about right.
Okay, so that will bring her tip to $7.20. Add it to the $36 and the total is $43.20.
Yes, what a nice dinner that was.
We'll have to make sure to come back here again real soon.
Would you like some more coffee?
No thanks. I'm full. We need to find our waitress and get our bill.
The waitress is bringing the bill right now.
This waitress has really been on top of things, hasn't she?
Yes, this waitress did a great job.
Okay, let's see what the damage is. The total for our meal is $36.
What do you think would be the right amount to leave for a tip?
15% is a normal tip, but she really did a great job. What do you think about 20% this time?
Yes, 20% would be perfect.
Her tip will end up being $7.20 plus the bill of $36. The total will be $43.20.
Yes, that was one fantastic meal.
I agree. Maybe we can come back again next week.
Would you like to order anything else?
No, I'm good. All we need now is our check.
The waitress is walking over here with our check even as we speak.
I have never had bad service at this restaurant, but this time was really exceptional.
Yes, she really went out of her way to make this a pleasant dining experience.
Let's take a look at our bill. The total price for our dinner is $36.
How much money should we leave for a tip?
I know that 15% is a normal tip, but I really thought that this waitress went out of her way for us. What do you think about tipping her 20%?
She definitely deserves 20% for a tip.
So we can add her tip of $7.20 to the bill of $36 and the total will be $43.20.
Yes, what a wonderful meal.
It absolutely was a great meal. We'll have to return here for lunch sometime. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.